Hey, this is Sebastian from socialanxietysolutions.com and welcome to Testimonials Tuesday. I need a jingle for this. Anyway, so here I share with you very quick, simple, straightforward, either testimonials from clients or people that have gone through a particular product that I have. And this Tuesday, I'm going to read to you a comment that was placed under a video series where I coached a lady called Masa I coached her live for 5 live coaching webinars, and other people were watching her. They were watching our coaching sessions, and they were tapping along with these coaching sessions, and then they were commenting under the replays of those coaching sessions because I sold it later as a product, and initially it was also a product, but you could either attend live or watch the replays later. So the comment is as follows. Firstly, thank you, Masa, for being brave enough to go through with the live session. It really helped me too. And although my childhood experiences were different to yours, I could totally relate to the feelings of sadness, despair, etc. that comes with social anxiety. I was also moved to tears, which is very rare for me, a couple of times while tapping, and I felt some relief also. Thank you also, Sebastian, for providing these sessions. They are fantastic. All right, so that's a little testimonial. Quick little thing that I want to say about that. What she's talking about is that she's observing these sessions, and even though her childhood issues are different from Masa, and in these sessions, what I do is I provoke unprocessed stuck emotions from the past, and then through the tapping we release those stuck emotions. And in doing so, you're no longer reliving them. You're no longer reliving the past. And also, through these repetitive negative experiences and life's traumas, meanings were made. Decisions were taken, either consciously or subconsciously. And those formed beliefs like, I'm not good enough, there's something wrong with me, people don't like me, I'm an outsider, don't fit in. And through releasing those traumatic experiences, the emotions connected to that, also those beliefs start to shift and change and release. And that's what leads to profound transformation. And that's what you can see happening on screen with Masa. And that's what this lady who made the comment under the video replay from that video series with Masa called Overcoming the Fear of Being Judged saw. And she tapped along with it and she got relief from it, which is common because we can relate to the feelings that people have, and our subconscious starts to link it to whatever was going on with us. And so even though your issues are not, even though the causes and the roots and the origins of your issues, of your social anxiety are different, just watching these coaching sessions and tapping along with them can lead to profound results for you. And however difficult to believe that is, that's the case. That's the experience of many people that I'm sharing the comments of. So, hope it's been helpful. Thank you for tuning in for Testimonials Tuesday. Tune in next week for another one. This was from the Overcoming the Fear of Being Judged series, which you can get by going to bit.ly/fear of judgment. That is bit.ly/fear of judgment. This is Sebastian from socialanxietysolutions.com. Have a great week, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.